If you want to create and sell your own online course without dealing with complex setup or expensive platform, then online course host can be a very good option for you. It's simple to use, very clean and perfect for beginners who want to launch their online course platform fast. Today I will share with you how it works, what you get and how it feels to use, and how the lifetime deal can help you to save money. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to find the best tools with real savings. And if that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link from description to grab the special discount. And when you use the link from description, the discount will be applied automatically. Now let's talk about the online course host and how it can help you to build your online course brand without any stress. One of the best thing about this platform is how beginner friendly it is. Even if you never used any course platform before, you can start very quickly because everything is designed in a clean and simple way. When you first log in, the dashboard shows only the things you really need. You don't see any too many confusing options, and that makes it easier to focus on building your course. Creating a course inside online course host can feel very smooth. You can upload your videos and lesson titles and descriptions and arrange the lessons in any order you like. The interface is built so you can drag and move things around easily, which makes your course structure very simple to manage. If you want to add quiz, text lessons, downloadable files or small notes for your student, you can do that inside the same editor. One thing many beginners worry about the hosting their videos. With this platform, you don't need to buy any extra video hosting service. Everything is included inside the system. So your videos are stored safely and stream smoothly for your student. And it also helps your course load faster and save you money. A course platform is not complete without a good website. And online course host can give you a simple website builder where you can create your course homepage and you can change your color, logo and your menu and add the basic content like about, contact or the blog pages. It is not a complicated website builder like the big one, but this is actually good for many beginners because you don't get the stuck with too many settings. So you can create a clean and a professional looking website for your course without needing the coding or design skill. Another strong feature is the student experience. When students join your course, they see a clean video player, the progress bar, lesson list and comment box. Everything is simple and easy to follow. There are not any unnecessary buttons that can distract your students. These help your student focus on learning and it increases your completion rate. Now let's talk about sales and marketing features because without proper sales tools, it becomes hard to grow your course business. Online course host allows you to create landing pages for your course so you can promote it easily. You can also connect your email marketing service if you want to send email update to your students. The platform supports the coupon discounts, the free lessons preview and full checkout pages. This makes it easier for you to attract more buyers and improve your conversion rate. The platform also supports different pricing options. So if you want, then you can sell your course for one-time price or offer the subscription-based access. And many creators like subscription pricing because it gives monthly income. So the flexibility is useful if you want to test what works best for your audience. Now let's talk about the main thing that many people want to know, which is the lifetime deal. Online course host is offering a lifetime plan that allows you to pay once and use the platform without any monthly bills. This is very helpful for beginners, especially if you are just starting your first course business and you don't want to pay a large subscription every month. With the lifetime deal, you can build your course platform at your own speed without worrying about monthly payments. This also helps you to grow long term because your platform cost stays fixed. And in the lifetime deal, you can see there are different kind of plans here. So if you compare this with many other course platforms that charge monthly or yearly, the lifetime deal can save you a lot of money. And because the platform is stable, fast, and easy to use, you can focus more on creating your course rather than spending money on tools. So the deal is usually includes hosting, website builder, marketing features, student management, and the support. So you can get a complete package. Another thing that makes online course host good for beginners is the customer support. If you face any issue, you can contact their team directly. So they will reply you with the clear instructions and help you to fix your problem quickly. This is very important when you are learning something new and you don't want to get stuck. Overall, online course host is a very useful platform for anyone who wants to create and sell their online course without spending too much on time and money to set up their business. So it has a clean interface, easy course creation tools, built-in video hosting, simple website builders, sales features, and a lifetime deal that can gives you the long-term value. So if you want to start an online course business in a simple, affordable, and beginner-friendly way, this platform can be a good choice for you. So that's all for today's video. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to like this video and subscribe the Easy Access Tech channel for more simple tech guides like this. And remember, use the link from description to grab the lifetime discount automatically. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.